So in this video, I do want to have a look at quantum AI driven with energy. You guys can see right here, take care of your energy. We're going to be having a look at eco trading. We're going to be having some of the look at the products. You guys can see right here, I'm actually staking right now at the current moment. So let's have a look at what they do, what it is, just to give you guys a brief, overview. Hydrogen power at its very best with quantum power sectional upgrade now allows individual energy traders to participate independently. As the global power grid undergoes a momentum shift, renewable energy sources, particular hydroelectronic power, the trading landscape has experienced unprecedented growth. The shift to hydroelectric power. So let's have a look right here real quick at pretty much where they are, where they've been, and what kind of awards they've got. So you guys can see right here, best hydro staking solution. So is this the first hydro staking solution that we pretty much have seen in crypto? One of the best staking platform through fintech breakthrough award 2023, best market power solution, best blockchain staking platform. So obviously this is very, very bullish right here. If we have a look right here at some of the energy trading, we know that crypto overall hasn't been, especially Bitcoin, the most eco-friendly environment. And you guys can see right here, this is peer-to-peer energy trading. So very interesting right here. The growth of renewable energy generates has seen the development of new marketplace to trade excess energy. Quantum has created a software solutions that enable renewable energy to be traded within community. A local energy market allows participants to trade energy amongst each other for price competitive to the grid trade tariff rate. This also assists distribution utilities by limiting import and export to the grid, thus reducing capital expenditure on infrastructure upgrades right here. So pretty interesting right here. We're going to be having a look at some of the companies, what they do, where they are. So you guys can see right here, 500 plus institutional clients, 279 partners, over 6,000 employees, and $15 billion asset under stake. So what is Quantum exactly, for those of you guys who are pretty much asking and sitting here? Quantum is a premier investment and staking platform. We empower the world's leading investor to grow their digital asset by growing tailored investment opportunity and comprehensive staking solutions. Trusted by over 500 institutional clients, Quantum serves major asset manager exchanges, wallet, foundation, custodian, and token holders. Our advanced infrastructure and API enable clients to seamlessly earn staking rewards and maximize their financial potential. So this is some of the partners they have. You guys can see blockchain, Andrew Anderson Horowitz, which is obviously a pretty big one. BitBuy, our core principal products. You guys, they have performance product right here. Market, make informed real-time decision with our tools and inside data. And what exactly is their mission? Well, their mission is to create a market that removes obstacle of 24 renewable energy. When you observe the current energy crisis or talk to any energy expert, the sense of market failures becomes apparent. Think a little further and becomes a little clear that we are going to need the market considered at the time and place of renewable energy is generated to be used in order to solve problems such as curtailment or fuel poverty. Our mission is to empower ordinary citizens and corporations alike so that their renewable energy generation, storage, and buying power is harnessed in any optimal way. So the Quantum team right here at Quantum, our team industry leading expert, is committed to driving the adoption, growth, and long-term success of the Web3 ecosystem. We proudly partner. So they obviously, with 500 companies or institutional clients, they have pretty much spoken in every big conference that you could pretty much think of right here. And if we have a look at some of the staking that we currently spoke to at the beginning of the video. So I actually just staked before this video. I do want to essentially, and I did withdraw a little bit of it, as you guys can see, but I do want to have a look right here at some of the staking. So first of all, how do you deposit? I mean, it's very simple, right? Before we do that, a lot of people maybe don't know how to use crypto, right? So you want to go ahead and go to deposit right here, and you pretty much have a bunch of, options. So you have Bitcoin, USDT ERC20, Ethereum, USDT TRC20, and you could either do a bank deposit. But of course, for this scenario, Ethereum is probably the most famous one because that's what everyone uses. You got your yields right here. So residential GP trade quantum right here, daily 2%, daily 3%, and of course daily 5% for the industrial GP trade quantum. So obviously these are not big yields. But looking at a 3% yield, most banks are going to give you like what, 2% a year, maybe half a percent even, depending on which bank you are and how much money you have. So obviously, the fact that you're getting here 3% daily is pretty good. Duration 7 times. You could withdraw obviously anytime, but you can cancel. So it is locked for, I believe, a certain amount of hours. So let's have a look right here. I'm gonna go ahead and purchase this one just to give you guys the minimum amount is actually 400. So let's just do 500 right here. I have $1,000 USD duration 5 times right here, 2% daily. Let's go ahead and pretty much stake now. Staking has pretty much been successful, and you guys can see right here, I could actually, the timeline is actually 23 hours, 58 minutes, and 51 seconds. Okay, so I believe I could withdraw in that amount of time. And pretty much that's about it. You also have the swap wallet right here if you want to swap from funding to staking. So you guys can see right here, you could go ahead and do so. You could go ahead and proceed pretty much the swap. And of course, if you guys do want to swap right here, you have a swap from wallet to spot or funding to spot right here. And if you do want to essentially withdraw, you could go ahead and withdraw right here. You're going to go ahead and pretty much add a new account. You're going to go ahead and select your, USDT TRC20, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and then you're going to go ahead and pretty much add a withdraw account. And pretty much that's about it. They also do have a referral program right here. So if you do invite a bunch of people, you could actually essentially, make a pretty good amount of money and a pretty good amount of, reward or return of investment, kind of like an affiliate program. So that's pretty cool in my opinion. And of course, you have your staking returns right here. And of course, you have your staking returns right here. I have my total stake, total deposit, transaction. I did 5 withdrawal. Of course, a couple of them were done. So obviously you got your yields right here. For those of you guys who don't know, you got the yield tracker, asset history, and etc. So if you guys are interested in this and are interested to essentially learn more about Quantum, make sure you guys click on the link in the description below. Pretty interesting company right here. You could go ahead and also contact them if you have any questions. Of course, they do have a Telegram, which I will be leaving the link in the description below. I will be leaving the link to the Telegram as well if you guys have any questions. And of course, the live chat right here. If you do have any questions for live chat, make sure you guys pretty much, contact the live chat. They will be there to answer you guys immediately if you guys have any questions. If you guys do like this video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, and I will see you guys in my next